Editing the header and footer in WordPress is essential for customizing your site's appearance and functionality. Here's how to do it. Editing the header. Log into WordPress. Access your WordPress admin dashboard by logging in. Navigate to Appearance. Click on Appearance in the left sidebar, then select Customize. This opens the WordPress customizer. Select Header Settings. Look for options related to the header, which may include site identity, header, or menu. Here you can change your site title, tagline, and logo. Edit header menu. If your team supports it, you can also add or rearrange items in the header menu by selecting the menus option within the customizer. Save changes. Once you've made your changes, click Publish to save them. Editing the footer. Go back to Appearance. Still in the dashboard, go to Appearance, Widgets, or Customize Footer. Add or edit widgets. Drag and drop widgets to customize the footer area. Common options include text, social links, and recent posts. Save changes. After customizing your footer, click Publish or Save to apply your changes.